In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form and automate it using Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a Google form is a great way to collect information, whether it's for feedback, surveys, or event registrations. And by using Zapier, you can automate the process of managing responses to make your workflow smoother. So let's dive right in. First off, head over to your Zapier homepage. You can do this by visiting zapier.com and logging in. Once you're there, you'll see several options, but what we want to do is create a new automation, or Zap, as they call it here. Look for the Create button on the dashboard and go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll want to set up an automation workflow. In Zapier, this is referred to as a Zap workflow, so click on the option to create a new Zap. Now, you'll see an interface where you can set up triggers and actions for your Zap. We'll start by defining a trigger event. Click on the trigger step, and now it's time to search for Google Forms. Just type it into the search bar. Once you see Google Forms appear, click on it to select it for your automation. Now select the event that will activate this Zap. For our purposes, we want to choose New Form Response. This means that every time someone fills out your Google form, this automation will kick into gear. Click on that and follow the prompts to continue. Now that we've set the trigger, it's time to choose the action that will take place when the trigger occurs. Click on the Action step next. Here, you need to search for Gmail. Like we did before, type that into the search bar and select Gmail once it appears. Next, you'll need to select another event here. Just like with the trigger, you'll click on Choose an Event. This time, we want to select Send Email. This action will send an email every time there's a new response in your Google form. After selecting Send Email, you'll be prompted to connect your Gmail account if you haven't done so already. Follow the instructions to add your account and continue on. Now you're getting to the exciting part. You'll see fields where you can customize the email. This includes the recipient's address, the subject, and the body of the email. Take your time to fill these out carefully. You might want to include the responses from the form in the body of the email, so make sure to pull from the available options that Zapier provides. Finally, once everything looks the way you want it, you can opt to test your Zap. Zapier does a great job of guiding you through this process to ensure everything is working smoothly. If your test is successful, congratulations. You're ready to turn on your Zap. Just click the Turn on Zap button, and you've officially set up an automated Google form and email workflow through Zapier. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on creating a Google form and automating it with Zapier. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more handy tips. Happy automating!